Was good, everybody? Uh, it's another week of our Sunday forecast and weekly review. Um, yeah, last week was a phenomenal week. But before we start, I'd like to say I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research into the foreign exchange markets or the futures markets or any types of market that you are trading. Okay? Don't sue me. All this is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please, uh, yeah, don't sue me. But yeah, last week was a phenomenal week. Let's see. Yeah, we had a couple wins. You feel me? Break evens, +4, +1, +1. Yeah, +1.8, but it was like a +4. Yeah, phenomenal week overall. I'm gonna review it once I get into the review. But as y'all know, last week I said DXY was gonna sell short by to the weekly. It didn't reach there yet, but I was expecting, like when I was watching it this week, expecting this swing high to be higher so we can start going lower. But as you can see, we didn't even reach there. Left those as equal highs. So yeah, so this week I still want this to happen. Lower prices now. But since we didn't reach that, but we don't have to at the end of the day, but since we didn't reach that, we might, saying might, like a possibility, just get us a break above those last weeks. Yeah, most likely might get a break above those last week's highs and trade lower. Or we might just start trading lower, just how I predicted. But I want to see this order block get tapped. The weekly order block. Yeah, that's the weekly order block. She tapped the wick. It's like right here. Yeah, tapped the wick to perfection. So yeah, I really don't see it trading all the way up there. We might get price into this volume imbalance and then lower prices. That seems more likely. Yeah, and then straight down to this volume imbalance. And we'll see what happens from there, but I want to see dollar trade lower because we want indices to go higher. You know, I'm a futures based trader, so yeah, I mostly trade futures, which are indices in Forex or whatever. But yeah, that's what we're expecting. But it's the dollar for the dollar. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the Forex pairs, do a quick review, like real quick, because I don't even trade these. But if you guys jack Forex better, let me know. I should do more of this Forex stuff. But for this week, EU. I mean, last week we said Monday was like, yeah, we wanted a little bit higher prices to tap to this fair rally gap. What did we get? What did we get? As you can see, Friday was here. Sunday opened up. We got some higher prices, which was good. Over there, and then started lower prices. But so the prediction was correct for last week. And look at the reversal Wednesday. What craziness! What craziness! Why would a market reversal happen on a Wednesday, middle of the week? Come on now, like you should know this. Anyways, for this week, yeah, this week since I did this last week, uh, still want to see lower prices, but we might get a clear above this high from last week that got made. High of the week of last week. Get that tap that we were looking for again last week into lower prices. But if we don't get that, that's cool. We're just gonna see it shoot straight down. Yeah, that's what I'm predicting for. Let's look at the daily real quick. Yeah, daily's confirming a little bit higher prices, but yeah, let's just see what happens. This is a lot of resistance or whatever you want to call it. Let me see that. 10 price goes through returns. Alright. UJ last week we said we wanted lower prices. I wanted it to tap into here and then get the higher prices. But as you can see, we did get the lower prices. We priced below this low. And then traded higher. She didn't do the big ass pullback that we wanted. But I'm pretty sure on that video I said we don't need to reach all the way down here. We just need to see price start, you know, refresh or what is it? Yeah, refresh our price. To the new highs. See here, she never even reached all the way down here where I was projecting, but she did reach all the way up here. So yeah, for this week, same thing. You could possibly, and I really mean possibly, get traded lower, but since she's overall long, left these highs from last week, and look at this. See where price stopped? That's a beauty on its own. Like, but anyways, he's still aiming for these highs this week, so and she's real close. We could potentially see price trade below this low that I was looking for last week to this fair rally gap, but as you know, we're overall bullish, so why would she wanna break all like this low and get the people on the wrong side making money? You know? That makes zero sense to me. But for now, I just see potentially this low just get taken. Maybe this one, they might be safe. But we're right here right now. Could just do this. Plus that's the let me see. If that's the 4 hour CE, then yes, we might potentially get down there. Yep. So, my fault. This week, yeah, this is the sell side right now. Liquidity resting below this. could delete this. This was Friday. I was trying to get it higher, but we didn't see it. This is a little interesting right now. What she just did. She did 1, 2, reset. So 15-minute. Yeah, we could potentially just see the ICI happen now because it's the beginning of the week and take out those highs to aim for higher highs. Just continue everything. That's a nice little run up we might get to clear those highs. Okay, going GU. Yeah, last week we said we wanted higher prices. So on Friday was here. We drew this in. So we wanted higher prices. And she lower in the midpoint of the CE. Let's see where she got to. Take the CE, but for our trying to find the fair value gap. Like just one singular one. Okay, this might be it. This one singular. Yeah, she got real close there, but she didn't tap the CE, but she respected it by not trading to it and through it. Alright, gold. Still expecting higher prices. Let this load from last week. What we did, yeah, last week I said we're gonna get liquidation below these lows, and then into this fair value gap or deeper tracement into the breaker. I mean not breaker. Order block down there, possibly the 1 hour. Then get musings up, which we did. And then this week we could see continuations or she's here. Nah, a lot of people are trying to sell right now. So yeah, still sticking with this bias to take out this high. Okay, and speaking of gold, well that's it for the future. I mean for the Forex pairs that I look at. Leave a comment below if you want me to look at any other pairs. But those are the main ones that I look at. And I don't even trade future Forex anymore, so I'm more of a futures based trader. So yeah, well, I'll be more than willing to look at those for anybody who acts nicely. But since we're talking about gold, let's get into it on the future side. Yeah, this Sunday I hopped in some trades already. You see, I got a little +2 right here, and another +2 right here. Got this +2 right here. Got another +2 right here. Now got in here. Took a -1. Bought here. Now stop loss. I should really put it at a 1-to-1 so I get that -1 back. Nah, that's for sure might take me out. So I'm gonna leave it here. The stop loss is at break even, technically covering some commissions, but we in profit. That's what I'm telling you. I'm aiming for this high right here, but for a nice little 1-to-7. Yeah, price might slow down at the 1-to-5, but hey, who really knows? All this shit is random. Random. See if I can review last week. Last week I had a little nice trade. When did it start? Tuesday. Okay, last week started. We had a big breakdown like we were expecting. Then we had higher prices. Where did I get involved? You may ask. And I have this +7 right there. Let us go in a little deeper and see. Bro, nah, what happened to my... Did not load it? Okay, yeah, but like, what? I'm gonna enter somewhere here after this. Ah, bro. It's like here to like here. 11 nice +7. But anyways, I got a -1 in here chilling. Catch those. I don't know, I'm trying to get this +7 right now, but I mean, on to NAS or NQ for my peoples. So we can see last week what I said. Wanted a big push down on a higher price. Yeah, beginning of the week was slightly again. But we said we wanted lower prices to get higher prices. So we wanted price to get deep into here. Said those lows might get cleared. And what happened? She came, liquidated the lows, and after then, price just, oh shit, went crazy. Went crazy. You see the daily. These are nice sentiment. What we can really expect. For me, 1 day and 20 hours. So, want this gap down, maybe to the CE. But just a small gap down to here. And for the higher prices, or we might just continue buying up from where we are, but yeah, since those are equal lows, clear this. Do this here again. This is what I want to see next week. Phew, this looks so good right here. This order block. And I'm gonna clear all this one. Let me go over my trades for last week real quick. Took this +5 right after. Okay, look. Took this break even. Because I try to predict the whole move. I had the stop loss there, and I was like, I'm chilling the whole day. Took me out. So, waited. Got inverted. Broke above. Broke above again. Those are two breaks to the top side. So, what are we waiting on? Price to refresh. Or reset, whatever you're gonna call it, and then look for the same thing. Yeah, resetting price gives you the first impulse correction. So yeah. And then, so what did I do here? What was I at? Yeah, so here it's like around 11, 12 afternoon, around there, trying to catch the lunch raid up. Which I did. A little nice +5.3. Yeah, we wanted to target these equal highs or generate a little liquidity up there. This price took this overnight, trading, got taken out, and then took the morning low, got taken. So the afternoon is aiming for 8:30. Oh yeah, we took the trade there right after price broke above this inversion fair value and came back down. It was so I buy stopped this candle right here. And candle right there, buy stopped it. Oh no. This one perfect here. It was definitely this one. Buy stopped that candle. I don't know what just happened. But yeah. Oh, I deleted it. Okay. Okay. And price went crazy. Took it out at that high. It refreshed again. I could have tried a PM, but I didn't. It went way crazier. This would have been don't matter what it would have been. 1 to 10, double that. But hey, who cares? So I waited for another refresh of price. We got that cleared previous day lows. So on that, yeah, cleared Thursday lows. So on Friday, when price started to, it's not the impulse, just impulse correction. You could have impulse correction impulse, but I just took it right there because it was in this fair value gap. I mean, that's an order block. She could have reached down here, but no. I just took a buy stop there. I think it was on 1 minute, but for a nice plus 7.5. I mean, I should have held it to the highs. Would have been a nice plus 10.7, but we didn't. So yeah, don't matter. And then I thought price was just gonna continue the PM section, but then this happened. That's what took me out, because I had my stop loss here below this order block, breaker block, and then I wanted it to respect the breaker, so stop loss was below it, slightly below it, a few ticks. Then took me out. Continue lower. Tried again here. Nice -1 taken there. Yeah, for this week, I'm trying to see some lower prices, but we don't have to because this gap opened up and then traded higher, so we might just see shots up before we get the shot down to the shots up. Feel me? Like that makes sense, right? Or we might just liquid these lows. So basically, all I'm looking for is buys, longs after, not now. I'm not gonna just long this. It could long. I don't care. I'm looking for longs after these equal lows get cleared. Okay, because those are the previous week's lows. And there's more over here. So if price starts trading lower, we could be targeting this, even all of this as liquidity before we even want to trade higher. Even this one, because it's still within last week. But we just see what happens this week. Yeah. Yes. Same thing, literally same thing, but it's a little bit more clear since this is like this below. Well, these are all generated liquidity. I'll say, including this one, I want that to get cleared before we get higher prices. Yeah, that's right there. Liquidity. So we want banks to buy price lower, and then we get the I. I. Yeah, she could even go lower, but since yeah, I might just see that. RTY. Wow, this was slightly the same. Slightly the same, but we took up liquidity, so we want price to get back to discount. So discount will be like 50% here, or even a deeper discount. We don't care. We just want to, a flush of price. All these buyers, anybody still holding here, cleared out, cleared out. Feel me? Cleared out. Might shoot higher from there, but nope, cleared out, and then start shooting higher. But yeah, this is the one I look at. I rarely look at this one. I rarely look at this one too. Yeah, so don't really look at this one. I tried to mark it up last week. Barely got any entries, trades. Nothing was clear or precise to me, but we all know they all move the same. All these pairs are correlated. So I am we still aiming for this high. What can we expect this week? Lower prices clearing these lows, possibly to here or a little lower, and then and targeting this high. All right. Last but not least, CL oil. I mean, I might tap some. Nah, I don't want to go more than 30 minutes on this, but I might look at Bitcoin for a slight second. But let's get into this one. Daily. Yeah, we just want higher prices. Higher prices. Last week, did catch a nice short, which ran to like a nice 1 to 12, but I only got a nice, yeah, 5.3, 5.53. And this happened. Yeah, took my entries, my entries. So this week, yeah, this week it could potentially just see some lower prices before it wants to go higher, but I really just see it going higher and potentially lower after then. Yeah, yeah. Should clear all of these. We could get that. Potentially get that. So yeah, real quick, crypto. Yeah, I want to see this fall off to the original consolidation here, but I want to see these lows get cleared. Like these are too equal for them to be left here. So everybody here is happy. We don't want them to be happy. Not we, the banks don't want us to be happy. So they're gonna drive price lower, clear them out. and then start driving it higher. But we potentially might not even do that and just shoot to the fucking moon. Yeah. But yeah, that's it for this week's review. Um, good luck and happy trading.